Hello friends, today I will introduce you to one of the most cost-effective ERP application. So if you are looking for a cost-effective ERP application, I suggest you to try Ultimate POS, which is a completely cloud-based ERP application which provides you stock management, point of sale, invoicing, as well as there are many different modules along with this Ultimate POS which you can easily use your requirement. So if we will look into the basic cost of this application, like let us look into what all features it will provide. So here we have business management, stock, service, purchase, sales, invoicing, reporting, SMS and email, notification templates, user management, commission agent, service roles. So there are a lot of features which is present over here, and like there are different features which is already mentioned in this page which you can already look into it. So the cost of this the cost of this basic script is $59, and if suppose you want to add some more features to it, and suppose you want to purchase like human resource management, which will provide you features for attendance, leaves, and like holidays management, payroll, all this kind of features. If you need, then you can also go for this essentials module. And if suppose you are a repair shop, like suppose you manage a repair shop, then you can look into the repair module. If suppose you need a digital catalog, then you can look into the digital catalog and menu module. Along with it, like we have many different modules. So if you want to manage your customer effectively, then you can look into the customer relationship management module. Along with it, like we have manufacturing module, project management module, and e-commerce module. So there are a lot of different modules which you can select as per your need. So let us calculate what is the cost of this complete package. So the cost of this basic script is $59. Let me just open my calculator here, and which is 59 plus, if suppose you want to go with the essentials module, which is 44 plus, if suppose I want to also go with this digital catalog, which is 29 plus, and I will go with the CRM, which is like the higher cost here is 39. I will just add 39 here, $39, and the manufacturing module is $69, 69. Then the project management. So like all these modules are optional, like based on your requirement you can look into this module, or like if you don't need this module, you can like totally leave this module. So this main application, which is like Ultimate POS, this is the main application which has a lot of features. Like if you look into it, it has a lot of features which will be enough for most of the businesses. But if in case you need like different features like HRM and like CRM, then you can look into that module. So the total cost is coming around $289. So if I will go to Google conversion USD, let me just type here 289. So if we are suppose from India, so in Indian rupees, like it's 20,000 only. So with 20,000 you are getting all these features like Ultimate, like you are getting this point of sale management, you are getting this CRM module, you are also getting the HRM module, which is like very cheap. Like if you look into any of the Indian market, softwares available in Indian market, like it is very cheap. If suppose you are from Pakistan, like it's 45,000, still it's very cheap. Like I have already compared with many different companies which provide software in Pakistan or in like different countries. Like the cost is very cheap. If you will compare here, if I will go with euros, like which is only 238 euros, like which is very cheap. Like if you look into any of the softwares available in European countries, like the cost is very high there. And Like you can easily, like it's $289 for all this module. And like if suppose you want to start your own business, like, and you want to provide it as a SaaS module, you want to like earn some money with this ERP application, then you can look into this SaaS module, which is like the most costly module, which is like you have to purchase this extended license to sell the subscription, which is $325. And like if you will look into this also, like it's very cheap. You can like easily purchase it once and sell it as a subscription to your customers. So all these modules are compatible with this SaaS module. So that's all in this video, and I can really promise like this application, like it's a very cheap, and compared to all the features which it provides. And like the one of the most good thing about this application is like you will get future updates completely free. Like all the lifetime update is completely free for this application. So if you will look here, like all the lifetime updates, you don't have to pay anything for any further updates. And like you get 6 months of free support from our team. So that's all. I hope you will really find this software very useful. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like and comment this video. Thank you.